Welcome to L1 Auto.
L1 Auto. I'm going to show you today, after you buy the new gun, what you're supposed to do. Come one in the box like this. It's in this box. In the box they have a on a menu or have all the cleaning stuff. After you unbox this spray gun, it will come this separate. I think it's in the box. There will be like this, one of the wrench, like this thin wrench. So it will be very tight. So it will be very tight. It's not loose like this. See, this is so loose. Now you have this. That's how you get it when you purchase a spray gun. First of all, you have to clean with the. In the box there's a lot of paintbrush to clean this. This kind of brush, just with the thinner. You see this, all this hole right there, cleaning, and all small hole everywhere. You have to put with the. You have to clean with the thinner, because they have a rust protection, a grease inside. If you don't take it out, when you spray, you'll see a lot of fish eyes. Paint not gonna stay. Or it's better maybe put in a bucket or somewhere a little thinner and drop, like put it in and leave it for maybe 10-15 minutes on the thinner. Just this, all of them, just clean with the thinner. This one as well. Right there, you see, whenever you see the hole everywhere, right there, this hole right there, right here, inside, all over. You have to put with the thinner. After you clean, just put this in like this and tie it up. The wrench, tie it up. And put this fluid tip. There's a hole in the middle, so just push it in all the way up to there. After that, just tie it up with the adjuster. Okay, this is that. This is the nozzle things. So this is your fan pattern. Like when you spray, like a fan is like wide, going wide, or small or big. Just this one is adjuster. You can make it smaller or bigger, like this big or small. You need one of this adapter, like both sides. See the both. There's a lot of varieties for this. You can buy just. If you do that, you put a little bit of like a tab, water tab. This is a pressure regulator. You need one of the good pressure regulator for this paint job. There's a lot of cheap one. Don't buy the cheap one. This one like $25, I think. Buy the good one. There's a $2, $5, $2 one too. So this one, like you have to buy one of the adapter like both sides is female, this male coming from this one. Just tie it up with little water tap, put little water tap, tie it up, just this side, the other side, go into the gun body right there. See, is put a little bit of water tap as well, tie it up. Make sure it's tied good. That's good enough. You can see it when you spray gun. Then you need one of the good filter. They also have a cheap one. Don't buy the cheap one, try to buy the good one, because all the moisture is stuck in here. If you don't have this, all the moisture is going come out from this gun. So then you have to put one of this to filter. It's easy, just pull this. Yes, everything's tight now. Tight a little bit. It's tight now. Then you need the fittings, quick fitting, to put in the compressor hose right there. See, like this. So you need one of this, and you need the line from the compressor. There. Then just shouldn't come like this. Just tie it up. That's it. So do the paint job. You need one of those this compressor. This is a very small compressor, really. This whole like 40 psi, like maybe 2 minutes. You need a good compressor. Like if it is better if you have a big one, so pressure will hold a long time. When I spray, like I try to keep it 40 psi. Just push it and adjust your adjuster right there. Just keep it 40 psi or 30 to 40. I mean, try to 30. It depends with the paint, what kind of paint you're doing. Base coat, clear coat, or base single stage. Excuse me. So this how you can adjust right there. You can adjust really in the gun right here. You can adjust here too. There's an adjuster right there, and you can adjust through this compressor. See, this compressor have adjuster too right there. This one you can make it like spreader or narrow, big. Especially this size is a good size. You can adjust with this. And if you have a small area job, you can adjust all the way down. Now for that they have a small gun too. Then there is a fluid adjuster knob. You see the little mark I did? So I tied all the way down. This is I tied all the way down. This is tight. Then I loose 1, 2 and a half. That's my adjuster. That's how I do. Some people do this different way. There's a lot of way. When you paint, you have experience and you don't need to do that. You can really figure out when you spray the gun what you need to do. And just then put the filter in here like this, put a filter right here, and copy paint. What kind of paint you need, just spray it. That's all guys, thanks for watching. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.